How to fix can't change date of birth on TikTok. Are you stuck with the wrong age on your TikTok profile and finding that the birthday setting is grayed out or completely missing? Whether you made a typo during sign-up or your account was restricted by TikTok's automated age safety system, being stuck with the wrong birth date can lock you out of live features, direct messaging, and monetization. Today, I'm going to show you the official 2026 process to verify your identity and get your age corrected so you can regain full access to your account. If you can't change your birthday directly in the Edit Profile menu, it's because TikTok has locked your age for security. To fix this, you need to submit an official request. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Report a Problem, then tap Account and Profile and select Editing Profile. From there, tap Other and then Need More Help. In the feedback box, clearly state that your birthday is incorrect and you need to update it to the correct date. TikTok will then reach out through your support inbox to ask for age verification. You'll need to provide a photo of a government-issued ID or use their 2026 selfie verification tool, which uses AI estimation to confirm you are the age you claim to be. Here is an expert pro tip. If you are between 13 and 17 and don't have a government ID yet, TikTok now offers a parental confirmation option in many regions. Instead of an ID, you can provide your parents' email address. They will receive a secure link to verify your age using their own credit card or ID, which is often much faster than waiting for a manual support review. Now you know how to navigate TikTok's strict age settings and get your profile back on track. If this guide helped you fix your account, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 social media fixes. Have you tried the new selfie verification yet? Or are you still waiting on support? Let me know in the comments.